Okay. Chapter number 3, and it's very interesting chapter. Is all of them. Immersing foods in hot vessels. Introduction. The prohibition of bishul is cooking, right? The prohibition of bishul does not apply only to the cooking over the flame or direct source of heat. Rather, immersing food in hot water can also cause it to become cooked. Likewise, so I mean, if you have a raw, a raw piece of let's see, even a raw piece of meat, right? But chicken, right? Raw piece of chicken, right? And if you put in a soup that is on top of the fire, or even if you not on top of the blech, on top of the inverted vessel, even if you take it out of the flame, so this liquid is so hot. If you put a piece of chicken, let's say very thin, it's going to get cooked, 100%. So that's what we're talking about. So even hot liquids, of course, they can cook. So one more time. Rather, immersing foods in hot water can also cause it become cooked. Likewise, inserting food into empty heated pot can cause it become cooked, even if the pot is not on a flame. So basically, so the example would be they took the pot with soup, right, from the black from the top of the inverted vessel, and they pour soup out somewhere. Okay, they said they serve the food, but this pot is very hot. It's very, very hot, right? So if you put inside whatever you put inside and close the lid, the thing can cook, right, from the walls of the vessel. It's very hot inside. Additionally, solid foods that are still in the vessel in which they were cooked can cook anything that comes into contact with them. These methods of cooking are also included in the prohibition. Okay, so let's. I mean, of course, they're going to explain all of this, but let's try to understand what we're talking about. So, first one is immersing food into the liquid can cook that food. Then we said immersing food into empty container, or not immersing, but putting the food into the empty container, which is hot, also can cook the food. And the third examples that we gave here, if some solid foods, right? Solid meaning a piece of meat, right? You have a piece of meat. So in its empty container, in which it was cooked, if you put something on top of this meat, this some other food is going to get cooked, because meat and other solids they preserve heat inside, and they do not release it very easily as liquids. Okay, so let's see, continue. This aspect of the Melacha covers many activities routinely performed in the kitchen. For instance, mixing coffee with hot water, right? Or adding a seasoning to hot foods can involve violation of the Melacha. So meaning that something is going to get cooked. Basically, you're not allowed to add salt into the pot, into your own plate, into your own bowl. There is no problem. Plate, whatever. There is no problem. There are many similar activities may be performed only within the guidelines we will now delineate. Okay, so it's not the so whatever we're learning, I mean, it's a lot of information, but maybe if you review it afterwards, maybe 1 or 2 times, it would be also beneficial.